This video will show you how to change one or more spectrum tubes in your BioCharger. The first thing you want to do is turn off your BioCharger using the switch in the back. Then wait until the screen goes completely blank, including the flashing cursor in the upper left-hand corner. It takes about 2 minutes for the BioCharger to shut down completely. Once the BioCharger is shut down, you want to remove the power cord from the back of the BioCharger. Next, remove either the arc rod or the nylon plug from the top of the BioCharger, unscrewing them counterclockwise and removing them. Now remove the top cover and place it to the side. Carefully lift the outer enclosure up and away from the BioCharger and place it in a safe location. Next, you want to open your spectrum tube box, find the tube you are replacing, and replace the old tube with the new one. Just lift the old tube up a little bit and slide it out and down from the carousel. It may stick a little if it has been installed for some time. If you are replacing multiple tubes at once, you can look at the following chart for locations. I would recommend pausing it on the chart until you are finished. Place the old spectrum tubes back in the boxes. Carefully reinstall the outer enclosure, making sure it fits nicely in the grooves on the bottom. Place the top cover on the BioCharger and then install either the arc rod or the nylon plug. These should be snug but not too tight. Insert your power cord, turn on your BioCharger, and you are all set.